Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to explain CTET previous year question paper 9 December 2018. Let's start. Child development and pedagogy. Today I am going to explain child development and pedagogy part. So first question, creativity is thought to be related to the concept of. That means divergent thinking is a thorough process where new ideas are generated by exploring many possible solutions. Creativity means generating new ideas and way of approaching a thing. Therefore, creativity is related to the concept of divergent thinking. So our third option is correct answer. Next, the second question is the concept to sound combination of a language are specified in its dash rules. Means the acceptable sound combination of language are specified in its phonological rules. A phonological rules is a formal way of expressing a systematic phonological process or diachronic sounds charge in language. Next, come to the third question. The position where throw patterns are influenced by language is called. Here, linguistic determination is the idea that language and its structure limit and determine human thoughts, knowledge, and perception. Options are given. The first one is linguistic determination, cognitive bias, sociolinguistic genesis, and cultural tendency. The first one is the correct answer. Next, come to the fourth question. Ravi repairs appliance by testing hypothesis about the cause of the malfunction based on his experiences with the symptoms he uses. Algorithm, mental set, heuristic, and insight. Here, algorithms are procedure for computing or reaching to a conclusion by performing calculation, analysis, and reasoning that are based on past experiences. Therefore, option 1 is algorithm is the correct option. Next question, fifth one. Divya often divides the assignment's job into small tasks which she can handle easily. She is using first option secondary elaboration, sub-goals analysis, functional fixedness, and reductionism. Sub-goals analysis means step-by-step descriptions of a process to achieve a related goals. So, dividing the assigned jobs into small tasks to handle it easily is called sub-goal analysis. So our second answer is the correct answer. Next question number 6. Society determines the roles of male and female. This statement articulates, which means society creates specific genders roles which are prescribed as ideals or appropriate behavior for females and males. The specific gender roles are constructed in the society. They are not hereditary or intuitive and inherent. So option 3 is the correct answer. Next question number 7. Grading, coding, marking and credit accumulation systems are some of the examples of. Here, grading, coding, marking, and credit accumulation systems are scoring procedure of assessment of learners' performance. These are the parts of assessments which helps the teachers and parents to know about the learners' achievements. So, Our option third is the correct answer. Scoring procedure of assessment of learners' achievement. I hope all are understood. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Next, come to the 8th question. Assessment of learners' achievement helps the teachers too. That means assessment of learners' achievement helps the teachers to maintain the performance records to learners. This helps in indicating each learner's performance and plan effective way of their improvement. That's why option 4 is the correct answer. Maintain the performance records of learners. Next question number 9. Inclusive education is based on the principle of. Inclusive education refers to a learning environment that promotes the complete development of the all learners irrespective of race, class, colors, gender, disability and language. It provides equity and equal opportunity for all. So option 1 is the correct answer. Next, come to the question number 10. The Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act has been enacted in the year. Here, the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act have been enacted in the year 2016 by the Indian Parliament. The Act replaced Person with the Disabilities Act of 1995. The 2016 Act is in line with the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Person with Disabilities. Right, 2016 is the correct answer. These are the only 10 questions. I will explain remaining 20 questions in the next part. Thanks for watching.